I am Teacher Danny. Call me Teacher Danny. Say, hello, Teacher Danny. Hello. Look, what is this? Ta-da! These are my hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Look. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your mom. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle your baby. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle yourself. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Giggle, 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 giggle. Giggle, 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 giggle. How are you? Let's shake our hands. How are you? How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm so happy. I'm fine, thank you. I'm so happy. Let's sing a hello song. Hello, 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 hello. Wiggle.
Wiggle, 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 1, 2, 3.
Hello, 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 hello. Giggle. Giggle, 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's shake our hands. How are you? How are you? How are you? Wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle,
Wiggle, wiggle, 1, 2, 3. I'm fine, thank you. I'm so happy. Giggle, 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Look. Look, look at the window. Look, look, look at the window. How's the weather today? How's the weather today? Is today sunny? Is today cloudy? Look, what is this? Ta-da! How's the weather? This is a weather card. Look, sunny, sunny, sunny. Rainy, rainy, rainy. Cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. Windy, windy, windy. Snowy, snowy, snowy. This is a weather card. Let's sing a song together. How's the weather today? How's the weather? How's the weather? It's sunny, it is sunny now. It is sunny now. It's sunny today. How's the weather today? How's the weather? How's the weather? It's rainy, it is rainy now. It is rainy now. It's rainy today. How's the weather today? How's the weather? How's the weather? It's cloudy, it is cloudy now.
It's
Cloudy now. It's cloudy today. Oh, how's the weather today? How's the weather? How's the weather? It's windy, it is windy now. It is windy now. It's windy today. Oh, how's the weather today? How's the weather? How's the weather? It's snowy, it is snowy now. It is snowy now. It's snowy today. Okay, kids, let's sing one more time. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's sunny, it is sunny now. It is sunny now. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's rainy, it is rainy now. It is rainy now. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's cloudy, it is cloudy now. It is cloudy now. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's windy, it is windy now. It is windy now. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's snowy, it is snowy now. It is snowy now. Kids, how's the weather today? Very good. Ta-da! Kids, what is this? This is a calendar. This is a calendar. Look! Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's read one more time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Is today, Thursday? Is today Sunday? Let's sing a day song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's sing one more time, okay? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Kids, what day is it today? Very good. Bzz. What is it? Bzz. What's that sound? Bzz. It's Kibi. Everybody say, hello, Kibi. Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you. I am Kibi. Kibi, why are you here? Teacher. Yes, Kibi? Read me a storybook. I want a storybook. Kibi wants a storybook. Do you want a storybook? Yay! Storybook. Okay. Today we are gonna read, ta-da! Two Little Black Birds. It's story time! Hi guys! Today we are gonna read Two Little Black Birds. This book is made by Sunny Brain, Mother Song, and it's an animal park. What can we see from the book? There are two little birds sitting on a tree. Let's see, open the book. There's a QR code over here so you can watch the video anytime you want. Two little black birds. Next page. Two little blackbirds sitting in a tree. So 1, 2. They are sitting in a tree. There are two blackbirds sitting in a tree. Next page. One named Jack and one named Jill. So Jack, this bird name is Jack. Hi Jack. And this bird name is Jill. Hi Jill. Next page. Fly away Jack and fly away Jill. So this is Jack and this is Jill. The Jack is fly. And the Jill also fly away. Next page. Come back Jack and come back Jill. So Jack came back and he is sitting in a tree. And Jill came back and she's also sitting on a tree. And that's the end of the story, Two Little Black Birds. See you guys next time. Bye! So we finished making it. As you can see, look, there's a bird. Or so after you made it, you put your fingers into these little thingy and say, tweet, 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 tweet. This bird name is Jack. Hi, Jack.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Jack. I'm a bird.
What color are you?
I don't know. So,
Here's the thing, you have to color the bird. One little white bird right now because the color is white. So like this, you call the bird and or tweet 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 tweet, like acting like a bird and play with your kid and have fun.
see you guys next time. Bye.
Two little blackbirds sitting in a tree. One named Jack. Hi, I'm Jack. And one named Jill. Hi, I'm Jill. Fly away, Jack. I'm going. And fly away, Jill. I'm going too. Come back, Jack. I'm coming back. Boink. And come back, Jill. Me too. Boink. And that's the end of the story. Two little blackbirds. See you guys next time. Bye. Bye bye. Kids, do you know how to say bird? Bird. 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 Tree. 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 Let's sing a song together. Two little blackbirds sitting on the tree. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, and fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. Two little blackbirds sitting on a tree. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, and fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. See you guys next time, guys. Bye.